Welcome to this Next.js 14 tutorial. So in this video series, I'm going to show you how you can use Next.js to build web applications and websites. So what is Next.js? So Next.js is just an open source framework built on top of React, the React framework. And it has more functionalities than React. So it's like an enhanced version of React, which includes server-side rendering, and it's as well a full stack framework, which is not the case with React. So a full stack framework allows you to have both the front end and the back end of your application at one place. So usually what we have is a front end app and a back end app. So the front end app can be React, Angular, Vue.js, and we have the back end app that can be any language like Java, like Python with Django, or with just Express using JavaScript. But with Next.js, you don't need to have these two separate entities. You can have everything in one place. So these are the functionalities, one of the functionalities that Next.js allows you to have or to do. And that's why we are using it nowadays. And the server-side rendering is just the server, because as I said, Next.js is a full stack framework, so it has a server, is going to build or is going to render the full page before sending it to the browser. And this allows you to just have the full site, okay, being rendered by the browser. But with React, what happens is the app gets rendered after, or the app gets painted after the website has rendered your app, which is not good practice if you want your site to be SEO friendly, right? So why not just React? So why not just use React? As I said, it allows you server-side rendering, which is better in performance, and it offers SEO advantages, right? Next.js allows you or offers you as well automatic code splitting, which allows your application to be more performant, faster, right? And we have the routing problem. So with React, what we usually do is we need to have new packages just for our app to have route. So a route is, for example, we go to /blog / my profile. So to have this in your React app, you need a package, right? But with Next.js, as we'll see, you don't need that. It comes native to the app, to the framework. And we also have client-side rendering, which is just what React does. So Next.js can do everything that React does, but it has more functionalities. So this is why we prefer Next.js over React. And in this video series, we will install it, explore its features so that you can build your own app.